shimmer filled the eyes, lips stretched wide with peace within. Nights had no endings and days had no beginnings. Giggles and happiness had taken a different route. But soon we realized that the dream broke. Someone talked about the soul and flinched fear of being lost. But later spoke about other figure and then figures along. That night the soul broke. Because bodies weren't attached ever. Rants were impossible. That day I had fall out of love. Felt like someone took away the smile, so sleek and pure. But it stretched because of the words you sprinkled in the conversations. Nights had memories in rotation with tears falling down. Days were fake because it was difficult to tell that you were being missed. Felt it was a phase, but it was bifurcated. One dealt with falling apart from the memories, and another with falling apart from you. Blame had my name. You changed the story altogether. Fake stories were considered real, and everything seemed like an illusion altogether. Your fake promises will still be remembered. The promises were chiseled, yet they had no origin. The mere words rule over the time and broke the future. Finally, you made me realize that I don't need you to embrace the imperfect me. And falling out of you, even before being a part of you, gave me another reason to find the real me.